The Eastern religions, we got to be honest here, are much better. Buddhism, Taoism, Hinduism, at understanding that mystical thinking is not the law of two, but as Cynthia says, the law of three. Hegel, of course, Gurdjieff, they both say the same thing. But once you get into three, you get into thesis, antithesis, synthesis, flow, change, movement. It's not an inert God, it's an active God, it's an engaged God. By the middle of the book, I start capitalizing the word flow, if you've read it. It's as good a word for the Holy Spirit as I can imagine. And if you think I'm a heretic, those of you raised with the scriptures, I want you to look up every single metaphor for the Holy Spirit. It's always a descending dove, a flowing stream, blowing wind, descending fire. It's always movement. God is this energetic, dynamic movement that keeps people greening. Why green? If any of you are students of Hildegard of Bingen, the wonderful German mystic, doctor of the church now, she said it already in the 10th and 11th century. She called it the viriditas, like the Spanish word verde. The greenness, God greens things. I remember when I studied biology in high school and learned about photosynthesis, that everything green in the universe has a certain power to take energy from the sun and transmute it into energy. Isn't that's about as good a metaphor for grace as I can think of, you know? The implanted growing of things from the inside out.